Hi, this is Utkarsh, and today I'm going to show you a project that I have made during my advanced IoT and ML training. So first let me give you a brief idea about the project itself. So here I have connected a Bolt IoT module. There are two servo motors which will act as a knob, one for the temperature control, another for the door control. Apart from that, there is an LM35 sensor and an infrared sensor. So the problem was, if in a pharmaceutical company there is a boiler, so if the temperature of the boiler rises or deviates 3 degrees Celsius from the set threshold value, that is 65 degrees Celsius, so we need to send an SMS as well as an email alert to the plant manager instructing the condition of temperature for the boiler. So then he will be able to control the temperature through an interface that will be linked with that SMS and email. And the second problem was that if any worker of that pharmaceutical company wants to enter in the boiler room, then again an SMS that would be sent to the plant manager instructing that there is a worker who wants to enter in the room. So again there will be an interface attached with that SMS to control the door open and lock system. So if the plant manager approves that, so he will be able to enter in the room. So let's see how it is working. Let me connect this USB cable to the power bank in order to power all the devices connected to the breadboard, and you can see the lights has been turned on. So the first problem was we need to send an SMS alert as well as an email alert to the plant monitor if the temperature deviates from 3 degrees Celsius, right? So as you now know that we are inside a room, so the room temperature cannot goes beyond 65 degrees Celsius. So if we want to have a demonstration live, so we need to adjust that temperature. So for that purpose, see what is the temperature of the room. So you can see that I am getting the messages on my mobile phone. You can see the temperature is 23.8 degrees Celsius. So let me calculate the raw data from here. So it will be like 20 divided by 0.0977. So the raw data for 20 degrees Celsius will be 204. So I have already changed the value so that it will give alert if the temperature rises above 20 degrees Celsius. So you can see that I am getting the message. That is actually a push alert because I have completed my SMS and email quota, so that's why I changed it to push alert. Okay, I'll tell you how to control it. So the link that I am getting in the message is this one. This is the interface through which we can control this knob, means the temperature knob. So suppose if we want to, if the plant manager wants to close the air duct, then he will simply click on this button, close air duct. So after clicking, the knob will rotated to the close the duct. Our second problem was, if any worker of that company wants to enter in the boiler room, then we again need to send an SMS to that plant manager instructing that there is someone who wants to enter inside the room. So the SMS will be along with that interface to control the door lock and unlock system. So suppose I have connected an infrared sensor with that Bolt IoT module, so that it will detect the change and it will give true value, and on that value the Twilio will make a request and it will send SMS to that person's mobile phone. So for that, first I need to open my shell and I need to type that command, that is sudo python intro sms.py, and after hitting enter it will giving me the readings. So it is showing reading sensor value and the sensor value is 1. So as soon as I place my hand over the sensor, so you can see it is making a request to Twilio to send the message, and you can see, let's check, I got the message, that is sent from your Twilio trial account. Sir, alert, someone is near the room, approve them if you want. After that, I need to hit that URL. I need to fill the API and device ID, and I need to click submit. Now I'll be able to control the door. So if I click on the door closed, then it will rotate the knob to the door closed, and it will be like door open.